there.
Mother.
Today we're gonna be unboxing this Charizard GX Pokemon. This Charizard GX Premium Collection. No.
Cool.
So it comes with 6 booster packs, a large Charizard GX card, small one, Charmander, Charmeleon, and yeah, and a token in this. So here's the front, and here's the back.
Oh my
So now let's get unboxing. Take these out. And here's a pin. You can wear it. Keep this in. Now, let's close this up.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Close it up and here, 6. So we're gonna be opening which one first?
Yoda.
Which one, Muaz?
Yoda.
Which one, Muaz?
Yep.
This one? This one. So we're opening this one first. Open it. There.
What Pokemon there?
Here. Okay. So now, let's see. So it's a fire energy that comes. Kiawe. Rhydon. Then comes Lunatone. Swak. Toga Tomorrow, Wimpod, Alolan Rattata, Magikarp, Gloom, and it's a Rainbow Tapu Bulu GX. Whoa, first pack was very, very, very good. Thank you guys for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.
Oh my God!